Hello everybody, how are you doing? Hope you are super good and happy. This is Laura and today I'm going to show you how to make these super easy bracelets. You will only need some cord and beads. Cut yourself 2 pieces of Chinese thread about 20-25 centimeters long and insert 7 beads in one side and 6 in the other. Cut another thread 40 centimeters long and place it underneath. So grab the left strand and go up and over top the 2 middle. Take the left strand over the tail, go underneath the middle and come up through the gap on the left. Pull everything nice and neat together, and that was 1/2. Now grab the right strand, go up and over top. Take the left strand, put it over the tail and go underneath, and now go up through the loop. Pull to tighten very well. And that is 1 square knot. Insert 1 bead, and now you have to wrap the cord around the 2 needles in this way. Just wrap it. Insert 2 beads more and wrap the right strand around the 2 middle. Just like so, it's very easy, it's just wrapping. Let's do it one more time. Insert 2 beads, like this, and wrap around the 2 middles your right strand. So if you don't have Chinese thread, be sure that the one you use is waxed. This type of thread will help you to keep it in its place. And as you can see, it's this simple. All you have to do is to wrap this thread around the 2 needles as many times as you need, depending on how many beads you want to insert. When you are done, put some tape below the beads to keep them unmoved. And grab the second thread, the one on the left. You have to wrap it once, like this. Go underneath. I'm just wrapping, it's very easy. And now look for the other thread, here it is. And wrap the left strand right there. Try to keep the thread in between the beads, like this, and look for the other thread again. Here it is. And let's wrap. All you have to do is to repeat this until the end. It's that easy. To close it, make another square knot. I'm sorry, I didn't realize the camera wasn't focused right, but it's exactly the same knot we made at the beginning. Anyways, no worries, because I'm going to repeat this knot to close the bracelet, so I will show you the steps again. When you finish the square knot, cut any excessive thread you have. Burn those tails a little bit to melt it. This is gonna help you to seal it. This is more or less what you should have. Now place your bracelet on the table like this. Use some tape to hold it. Place a 10 centimeters long thread underneath. Take the left strand, put it over the middle. Now take the right strand, go underneath and up through the loop. Pull to tighten and make the opposite effect to finish the knot. Make a second square knot in the same way. Actually, this knot is very easy to make. If you are not sure how to make it, just practice a little bit before making this bracelet. Once you finish the second knot, cut any excessive thread you have, burn the tails to seal it, and that's it, all done. To finish those strands at the end, just make a simple knot. You can also add a bead or make a fancy knot, whatever you want, just let your imagination run free. I made a simple knot because it was the easiest way to finish. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I'll post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then, remember, stay beautiful, smile, and be very, very, very happy!